Making plans. Are you free? Yes, I'm free. When are you free? Maybe this weekend. What day exactly? Saturday sounds good.
What time works?
Around 2 o'clock.
Where should we meet?
The usual cafe.
Is that okay?
Yes, perfect spot. What should we do? Maybe watch movie.
Which movie, though?
The new comedy.
Sounds fun.
Yes, really fun.
Should we eat first?
Yes, good idea. Where should we eat? That pizza place.
I love pizza.
Me too, honestly.
Let's confirm the time.
Yes, 2 o'clock.
I'll set reminder.
Great, me too.
Don't be late.
I won't, promise.
Should I bring anything?
Nope, just yourself.
Okay, sounds good.
See you Saturday.
Looking forward already.
Me too, excited.
Text me tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Great, talk soon.
Yes, talk soon.
This will be fun.
Yes, definitely fun.
Can't wait, honestly.
Same here, truly.
Thanks for planning.
Anytime, my friend.
See you then.
Yes, see you.
Bye for now.
Bye, take care.
Calling for help. There you are.
Hey, good timing.
How are you?
Great. Thanks, you?
I'm doing well.
Glad to hear.
It's been forever.
Yes, way too long.
You look great.
Thanks. So do you.
Did you wait long?
No, just arrived.
Perfect timing then.
Yes, exactly right.
Should we sit?
Yes, let's sit.
This place looks nice.
Yes, I love it.
Do you come often?
Yes, quite often.
What's good here?
The coffee's amazing.
Let's order then.
Yes, sounds good.
What are you having?
Just black coffee.
Same for me.
Great, easy choice.
So, what's new?
Lots, actually, honestly.
Tell me everything.
Okay, where start?
Start anywhere, really.
All right, here goes.
This is nice.
Yes, really nice.
I miss this.
Me too, truly.
We should meet often.
Yes, definitely should.
Agreed, completely agreed.
Great, it's settled.
Glad you came.
Me too, honestly.
This made my day.
Mine too, truly.
Let's do this again.
Yes, absolutely. Again.
Can't wait already.
Same here, truly.
Texting a friend? Are you texting someone?
Yes, texting friend.
What are you saying?
Just planning something.
What are you planning?
A weekend trip.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, very exciting.
Where are you going?
Maybe the mountains.
Is that far?
Not too far.
Did they reply?
Not yet, waiting.
Are you nervous?
A little, honestly.
They replied.
Great, what said?
They said yes.
That's wonderful news.
Let's plan details.
Yes, let's plan.
What time leaving?
Early Saturday morning.
Should we drive?
Yes, driving there.
How long driving?
About 3 hours.
That's not bad.
No, quite manageable.
Send me address.
Sure, sending now.
Got it. Thanks.
Great, see you.
This'll be fun.
Yes, so fun.
Let's confirm tomorrow.
Yes, confirming tomorrow.
Sounds like plan.
Yes, perfect plan.
Talk soon then.
Yes, talk soon.
Can't wait, honestly.
Me too, truly.
This trip sounds great.
Yes, truly great.
Thanks for planning.
Anytime, my friend.
See you Saturday?
Yes, see you.
Catching up. Long time no see.
Yes, way too long.
How have you been?
Pretty good, honestly.
What's new with you?
Started a new job.
That's exciting news.
Yes, very exciting.
What do you do?
I'm a designer.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, I love it.
Do you like it?
Yes, very much.
What about you?
Still same job.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, still enjoy.
That's good to hear.
Yes, quite lucky.
Any other news?
I moved recently.
Where did you move?
Downtown near park.
That sounds nice.
Yes, really nice.
Do you like it?
Yes, love it.
We should visit sometime.
Yes, please visit.
I definitely will.
Great, looking forward.
This catch-up is nice.
Yes, really nice.
We should meet more.
Yes, definitely more.
Agreed. Completely agreed.
Great, it's settled.
Time flies, honestly.
Yes, really does.
Feels like yesterday.
I know, right?
Let's not wait long.
Yes, agreed completely.
I'll text you soon.
Great, talk soon.
This was wonderful. Truly.
Yes, truly wonderful.
Take care, friend.
You too, bye.
Saying goodbye. Well, I should go.
Yes, me too.
This was really fun.
Yes, truly fun.
We should meet again.
Yes, definitely again.
When are you free?
Maybe next week.
Sounds good to me.
Great, I'll text.
Thanks for today.
Thank you too.
I had a great time.
Me too, truly.
Get home safe.
You too, thanks.
Text me when home.
Yes, I will.
Okay, take care.
You too, bye.
This was needed, honestly.
Yes, truly needed.
Glad we met.
Me too, always.
Don't be a stranger.
I won't promise.
See you soon then.
Yes, see you.
Bye for now.
Bye, take care.
Have a good night.
You too, thanks.
Drive safely home.
Yes, I will.
Thanks for coming.
Anytime, my friend.
This meant a lot.
Yes means much.
Let's not wait long.
Yes, agreed completely.
I'll call you.
Great, talk soon.
Take care, friend.
You too, always.
See you around.
Yes, see you.
Bye now, friend.
Bye, take care.
Have safe trip.
Thank you, bye.